In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into a website using Dashlane. This will make managing your online accounts much easier and more secure. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the website you want to log into using your web browser. This is the starting point for using Dashlane because it integrates seamlessly with your browser to fill out login information automatically. Once you're on the website, look for the login page or button, as we'll be needing that next. Once you've located the login area, you'll often see a login button or field. Before interacting with it, make sure that your Dashlane extension is installed and active in your browser. Dashlane will often display a small logo near the login form, indicating that it can assist you in logging in. Keep an eye out for this logo as it really simplifies the process. Now, go ahead and click on the website's login button or field. This is where Dashlane really starts to shine. You'll see on the right side the Dashlane logo appear. This is your cue that Dashlane has detected the login page and is ready to help you sign in. Next, when prompted, choose the email you want to use from your Dashlane account. If you've saved multiple accounts, Dashlane will give you the option to select the correct one. This saves you from having to remember which email you used for which site. After selecting the email, click on the password field. Here again, you'll see the Dashlane logo appear to the right side. Dashlane will suggest a saved password, if there is one, or it may offer to generate a strong password for you. Dashlane's password generator is a fantastic tool for creating secure passwords, so if you're setting up a new account or want to improve the security of an existing one, this is a great option to consider. At this point, Dashlane will automatically fill in your username and password fields with the information stored in your vault. You don't have to type a single thing, Dashlane takes care of it for you. If for any reason you need to enter your username and password manually, ensure that they're correct, and then let Dashlane save them for future use. Finally, after everything is filled in, simply click the login button. Dashlane will log you in and offer to save any new login information, making logging into all of your sites a breeze from now on. And that's it. You're all set up with Dashlane to log in securely and conveniently without the need to remember your passwords. Don't forget, using a password manager like Dashlane not only saves time but also enhances your online security. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.